Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to work with drawings in Tekla Structures. You will learn about the principles of drawings, how drawings and the model interact. You will learn about drawing types. You will learn how to create drawings. You will also learn about drawing levels and drawing interface. Tekla Structures drawings are special views of the model. This means that the lines that appear in drawings are just different representations of the same objects you use in the model. Consequently, drawings in Tekla Structures are quite different from what most call drawings in the industry. From the drawings, you can change the representation, but not the geometry or the location of the objects in drawings. Changes to objects are made in the model. The model is the only source for information. When you change anything in the model, all the Tekla Structures drawings are naturally updated because they are simply special views of the model. This guarantees that you can trust the drawings. They always represent exactly what is going on in the model, as there are no discrepancies between the Tekla Structures model and Tekla Structures drawings. Also, there are no differences between different Tekla Structures drawings. You can have many drawings of the model at different scales and different dimensions, as well as notes on top of the drawings. Dimensions in Tekla Structures are not lines or vectors. They are interactive callouts of geometry. For example, when you add a dimension that calls out the location of an embed, you are actually telling the system to mark the location of that object in that view, not to add a dimension. The dimension mark will adjust when the embed moves, because it is interactive with the embed and geometry of the pieces. Tekla Structures not only has these intelligent dimensions, but the text objects and other 2D objects in drawings are associative to the model objects as well. This associativity is what drives Tekla Structures drawings and allows you to automate many tasks. In previous tutorials, you have worked on the model in the modeling mode. Drawings in Tekla Structures are handled in the drawing mode, where the model itself cannot be edited. The drawing mode is used to modify the drawing contents and to add the required marks and dimensions. A Tekla Structures model contains all the important project information, geometrical and structural information on parts, part markings, part properties, bolts, assembly information, and user-defined attributes. You can create drawings at any stage of a project. Some of the drawing commands are located in modeling mode, and some are in drawing mode. You find all the commands for creating and managing drawings in modeling mode. To view and edit drawings, you work in drawing mode. Changes in the model members can result in the drawings no longer being up to date. The following are examples of changes that affect the drawings. A part's profile or geometry changes. Parts are added or deleted, or the number of identical parts changes. Tekla Structures indicates updates in the related drawings and the drawing list the next time you number the model. Numbering does not have to be up to date to create or open general arrangement drawings. You can create many types of drawings in Tekla Structures. General arrangement drawings, also known as erection plans or E-sheets, can contain several views which can include the entire model or any part of it. With general arrangement drawings, you can create erection, foundation, and other plans, as well as details from views in the model. Single part drawings are workshop drawings of individual steel parts. You can create drawings of any steel part in the model. The single part drawings can contain holes, but welded parts cannot be included. Single part drawings can either be on individual drawings or linked to a multi-drawing to create a gather sheet. Assembly drawings are typically workshop drawings, where details of an assembly consisting of steel parts are presented for fabrication. In most cases, an assembly consists of single steel parts that are either bolted or welded to the main steel part. Assembly drawings can either be on individual drawings or linked to a multi-drawing. Cast unit drawings are formwork or reinforcement drawings of reinforced concrete structures, such as foundations. Multi-drawings are workshop drawings, which gather together several single-part or assembly drawings on one sheet. The configuration you use determines which drawings are available. Let's practice creating general arrangement drawings. First, open the View list and Views, 3D, Grid 1, and Grid A. Then make sure that the view angles are as you want them to appear in the drawing. Next, go to the ribbon and open Drawings and Reports. Under Create Drawings, open the Master Drawing Catalog. From the drop-down, select General Arrangement Drawings. Then pick the first option and click Create Drawings. Next, on the Create General Arrangement Drawing dialog, pick the 3 views. Check the box for Open Drawing and click Create. In Drawing mode from the Document Manager, you can reposition views in the drawing by dragging the gray boxes and adjust the scale from the contextual toolbar. When you have cleaned up the drawing, you can, for example, export it as a PDF. Pause here to practice what you just learned. Changes on drawings can be made on 3 levels. The highest level is the drawing level. Drawing level can be modified in the Drawing Properties dialog and its sub-dialog boxes. The Drawing Properties dialog can be opened from the ribbon. Or by double-clicking the drawing background. When you make changes on the drawing level, they affect the whole drawing and all views and objects in that drawing. The next level you can modify is the view level. To modify views on drawings, double-click a view frame in an open drawing. This opens the View Properties dialog. Changes made in the view properties affect only the selected views in an open drawing. Finally, you can also modify properties on the object level. Double-clicking an object in a drawing opens an object-specific property dialog box. When you make changes to objects in object level, these properties are no longer affected by any property changes on higher levels. We recommend that you make changes on the highest level possible and work from top to bottom, from drawing level to object level. When you open a drawing, Tekla Structures activates the drawing mode. The model views remain on the screen in the background. Let's get familiar with the user interface in drawing mode. The File menu contains commands that can be used in the drawing mode. The ribbon contains a variety of commands that you use to complete your drawing. The commands are divided under tabs: Drawing, Annotations, Dimensioning, and Views. The side pane contains the 2D library, Instructor, Drawing Content Manager, Tekla Online, and the Applications and Components catalog. Snap switches and selection switches include options that are available for drawings. Document Manager is a tool that is used for listing and managing drawings and other types of documents. To open the Document Manager, on the ribbon, under Drawing, click Document Manager. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+L from the modeling mode, and Ctrl+O from the drawing mode. The Document Manager shows you information about the drawings you have created. You can search, sort, select, and display drawings according to different criteria, and open the drawings displayed in the list. In Document Manager, you can organize documents and drawings in categories. All drawings in a Tekla Structures model are displayed in the drawing list. You can update drawings when the model changes, lock drawings, freeze drawings, issue drawings, and create manual document categories. You can take snapshots of the drawings and locate the drawing parts in the model, and to find out if a part is included in any of the drawings. With snapshots, you can take a quick look at any drawings without opening the drawing. In Document Manager, you can show and modify drawing views in the model for selected drawings. When this button is activated, it changes color. The views in the selected drawings are now displayed in the model. When you save and close drawings, you automatically return to the modeling mode. You have now reached the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, you learned how to work with drawings in Tekla Structures. You learned about the principles of drawings, how drawings and the model interact, and about drawing types, drawing levels, and drawing interface. You also learned how to create drawings. This is the last tutorial of the First Steps with Tekla Structures course. You can continue learning by taking some of the other e-learning courses we have available for free.